Welcome to 5555 Cooking Ideas, your friendly place for simple and delicious recipes from around the world. Today I will show you how to make crispy, healthy and delicious homemade falafel step by step. Falafel is a popular Middle Eastern food made mainly from chickpeas. Falafel is best made with dried chickpeas, soaked overnight. Soak the chickpeas in plenty of water for at least 8 hours. After soaking, drain the chickpeas well. Fresh herbs and spices give falafel its flavor. Chop 1 onion into small pieces. Chop a few cloves of garlic. Use fresh parsley and coriander for aroma. Chop the herbs roughly. Place the chickpeas into a food processor. Add the chopped onion and garlic. Add the fresh herbs. Now we add the spices. Add ground cumin for warmth. Add coriander powder for depth. Add salt and pepper to taste. Blend everything until it becomes a coarse mixture. The mixture should not be smooth like paste. Add a little baking powder for lightness. Mix gently one more time. Let the mixture rest for 10 minutes. Heat oil in a deep pan for frying. Test the oil with a small piece of mixture. Shape the mixture into small balls or patties. Make sure all falafel are similar in size. Carefully place falafel into the hot oil. Fry on medium heat so they cook evenly. Turn them gently until golden brown. Fry until crispy on all sides. Remove and place on paper towel to drain excess oil. Look at the crispy outside and soft inside. Falafel tastes amazing with tahini sauce. Add tahini paste into a bowl. Add lemon juice for freshness. Add garlic and a little water. Mix until smooth and creamy. Falafel is often served with pita bread. Tomatoes, cucumber and lettuce go well with falafel. Place falafel inside pita bread. Add fresh salad on top. Drizzle tahini sauce generously. Close the pita gently. This meal is filling, healthy and delicious. Falafel is naturally vegetarian and vegan. It is perfect for lunch or dinner. Store leftover falafel in the fridge. Reheat in oven or pan for best texture. Homemade falafel is fresh and satisfying. Your crispy homemade falafel is ready to enjoy. You are watching 5555 Cooking Ideas. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like the video. Subscribe for more simple recipes from around the world. Press the bell icon so you never miss a recipe. Thank you for watching and cooking along with me today. Take care, enjoy your meal, and see you again in the next delicious video from 5555 Cooking Ideas.